Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will accompany you during the step-by-step learning of the citation manager, that is the Mendeley. So first of all, welcome you all on behalf of ENT Unit 2. I am Dr. Imran Said, Associate Professor and Head of ENT Unit 2, the Children's Hospital and the Institute of Child Health. This is a step-by-step learning Mendeley guidelines, and you will be with me and enjoying how you can have the searching of the citation, how you can edit that, how you can import and export the citation, and how you can uh, mention these citations inside your technical writing. This is cite while you write. So first of all, I want to share with you a very good saying of someone that tell me and I'll forget, show me and I may remember, involve me and I'll understand. This is indicating that the learning by doing is the best method for remembering. Our learning objectives are, first of all, we will be get familiarized with the reference and what are the reference managers. Then we'll start step-by-step guide of Mendeley, in which there will be creation of the folder and libraries. Then you will be doing the internet literature search through the Mendeley. Then you will be learning that how to import the references from PubMed. Then you have to copy the references to the local library. You have to learn about the how you will be finding the full text articles from the Mendeley. Next, you will be having importing of references from other resources as Google Scholars. Then the next step will be how to insert these references into your Word document, the manually inserting the references in the Mendeley, and then the editing of those citations as well as preferred citation styles which you will be choosing, and how to change these styles when you are giving your medical articles to be published in different kind of journals. So start with me. What is a reference? Reference is the action of mentioning or alluding or indicating to something. This is meaning that whenever you in a medical writing mention some kind of the indication of or alluding to some of the article, you have to mention it into your document. This is known as citation or references. And at the end of that medical writing, the whole of these references in a tabulated manner is known as the bibliography. So bibliography is a list of all the materials that you use to help you write a paper. So what is a citation manager or bibliographic manager? The bibliographic or citation manager is a software program which help you to collect, store, process references. Once you have created these references, it will help you create a bibliography in different styles and add these references to Microsoft Word. So how can I get, store and manage relevant references? Answer to this is whenever you are writing, you are indulged in a great problem. Whenever we have to write a medical article, we were in great trouble because we have to sort out many articles, references and other things, and we were in this problem how to get through this task of medical writing. But by learning this step-by-step citation manager Mendeley, we will be having a great help and we can achieve our target of capping our problem. So our target is this much burden of load, and after learning this we will be having a comfortable smooth life with this citation manager. So how to start? Whenever you are having any software installed in your system, you have to have a shortcut, and shortcut of Mendeley is shown here. This is the Mendeley's desktop shortcut which will be shown in your desktop. It can also be approached through the programs, and in programs Mendeley folder, and in Mendeley folder the shortcut of Mendeley desktop will be seen. As you have all installed the Mendeley, whenever you click this button, as you have seen here in the program, the Mendeley desktop is there, and whenever you click, you should be clicking it with ease. And ultimately the thing, if you are not logged in, the first dialog box which will be appeared will be having the email and password. So you have to write down this and the checkbox of stay signed in, and then you have to click the sign in button. Then after signing in, this will be the first screen which will be shown. You can add papers to get started. If you are having any kind of PDF or Word file, you drag and drop into this area, and this will add this as reference into your library. That will be all libraries. So first of all, this welcome screen, and you are seeing the ribbon, menu, file, edit, view, tools, and help. And if you click any one of them, so then you will be seeing a sub menu there. There are also some quick references, add files, folder, and share. Now you can see welcome to Mendeley and literature search is there. You have to click on the literature search. The ribbon menu which I have mentioned is shown here. In file sub menu, there is add file, add folder, watch folder, import, export, and send by email, and you are signed in there. When you will be opening the program, there will be left side a library pane, then a search pane, and then a display pane. So creating a new library is very much easy in Mendeley. You can have this very easily done. The library pane which is shown on the left, and you can see an area where there will be written a new library. You have to click this, as I have shown, create folder. You have to simply click this area, and it will be blank, and you have to write the library name, and when you will enter, there will be creation of this library. As I have added this area with asthma management, and I'll click the enter, and it will be there as asthma management. And second library which I have formed is asthma steroids. Then the literature search, as I have shown previously, you have to click the literature search, and this window will be popped up. Here there will be a bar in search bar in which you have to write down, as I am showing here. This is the bar in which you have to write down the keywords to search. Whenever I have mentioned asthma steroids and these words, and after writing these two words, keywords, I'll click the enter, and the next screen will be the result. The search pane will be having the results here, and if I click any of these references, as I'm doing this, there will be the display pane in which that reference will be seen. What thing will be seen in display pane is title, author, journal name, abstract, tags, keywords, publisher, universal resource recorder, address, catalog ID, and notes option. These are the all attributes of the references will be shown as I am showing in this area here. Then starting search, after you have written the keywords, and this is the result which is shown, and you can see at the area of this is a display pane in which there will be a button that will be regarding the save reference. So you have to click this area, and the reference which you have highlighted will be saved in your library. You can also have this done. You can multiple references selected and can drag and drop into the library which you have already created. So I have shown you this area, that as I have shown you, there is a scene that the references which have been shown here are being shown here. Then you can drag the reference from here into your library, and it will be copied into the library which you have created. Next one, you can see the display pane. If the full text you found, this is the sign of the full text, a disk with an arrow, and then if the full article is available, you can have a button that will be showing the save PDF file there. So you have to do this by full text attachment, so you can have PDF files stored into your software. And then you are also having some of the filters available in the search. This is the sign of PDF text file available. You can filter by author, title, year or published. And if you click this one, this area, the PDF open file, it will be opened into portable document format, and you can see whole of the file opened in PDF there. The portable document file also can be also incorporated by drag and drop button of the Mendeley program. You can have all the attributes of the PDF format, that you can highlight this, you can have notes put in, you can have magnified view, and you can have the synchronization of the PDF with, and you can even email your PDF file there, and text zooming as you. The next step is how to import file to the Mendeley. In the file menu, there is a button which is known as the import. You click here and then drag the file into Mendeley desktop as have been shown here. And second is, if you are having other bibliographic manager file, you can import it by clicking import and then choosing this format and the location of the file. If file is available, then you can click and drag. How to share the file in Mendeley? Sharing is very easy in this. You can have this button to share, and there will be a dialog box open in which you will be putting the email address, and you can then send to the person you have selected. Next is important references from internet sources. You can import from PubMed. You have to install the web importer as shown here. When you will be clicking, there will be the window Mendeley web page open, and you can drag this save to Mendeley and in your toolbar and bookmarks, and whenever you will be opening in PubMed, you can have this imported to this dialog box, that is save to Mendeley. So PubMed filters also have work to filter down the information you want. You can also have one thing added, that is references from the Google Scholar. The same thing is there. You have to search the article and then drag into save to Mendeley. Other thing which you should be remembering is the citation sharing of this information to other groups, as creating groups for sharing. You can have 4 groups with 3 members formed on Mendeley as free, and you can share, the 3 persons can share their all information with each other through the Mendeley. And here the group have been shown here. One group I have formed, the memory seeking, and then you have to install the MS Word plugin. You click here and it will be installed, and cite while you write is then there. You open the MS Word document and then you have to click the insert citation. Insert citation, there will be a window popped up in which you will write keyword here, and I have written the keyword, and whole of that reference has been imported. Then the styles can be changed here. There is edit citation option also there. You can edit the thing in different menus, as well as with the single click you can change the style of the references as shown here. I want to change from Vencure to AMC or AMA. It can be changed very easily, and many styles are. So then clicking the insert bibliography here at the end of the citation, whole of those references and citation will be gathered as bibliography at the end. There are different styles you can apply, and not only the Mendeley is available, many programs that are free also available for citation, but this is the easiest one I have found. Thank you very much. And all the thing after doing this is from this confused state to the I know it, and I need only motivate to you. Where there is a will, there is a way, you can see here. And I'll be very thankful if you give the feedback to me about this thing, and thank you very much for your kind listening. Allah Hafiz.